wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pocket drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Piloting the UDI U-34W Dragonfly is about as easy as remote-controlled flying gets. The compact but durable airframe can withstand a number of crash landings, and you can program customized flight paths on your smartphone for it to follow. It's an agile and responsive design, with a VR-compatible 720p HD camera. However, it's got no GPS capabilities. At number 9, the Kolibri Torpedo Micro FPV sports a unique shape vaguely reminiscent of a futuristic extraterrestrial lander, with propellers mounted beneath the chassis rather than overhead. Paired with an iOS or Android device, it's a fun way to stream and record aerial images. It offers a custom routing mode and is compatible with VR headsets, but its flight time is limited to 7 minutes. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Smaller than your handheld phone, but capable of taking airborne snapshots in 2-megapixel HD with gyroscopic stabilization, the eachine E10C is a fun alternative to setting up a timer or using a camera on a stick to capture selfies. It charges fully in 35 minutes and comes with high and low speed modes. However, it is easily lost because it's so tiny. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pocket drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the slimline design and foldaway blades of the jjrc H47 Elfie make it an exceptionally handy grab-and-go option for taking along on adventures great and small, ready to launch at the drop of a hat when you want to cherish the moment with a few high-res snapshots. It features gravity sensor control and an on-screen flight planning function, but it offers poor wind resistance. Moving up our list to number 6. While it may only fit into the roomiest of pockets, the DJI Spark packs an audacious punch for a machine no bigger than a snack cake. Using facial recognition to launch it from your open palm, you direct it with hand gestures to take amazing aerial photos and video. It boasts wind-resistant stability control, intelligent flight modes, and autonomous obstacle avoidance. Halfway up our list at number 5. As fun to fly as it is inexpensive, the Holystone HS-190 can pull off aerial acrobatics and entertaining stunts with ease. With its foldable design and compact controller, it can be tucked safely into a cargo pouch to accompany amateur pilots wherever they roam. It includes an automatic return-to-home feature, an altitude hold function, and propeller guards. At number 4, foldable propeller arms that tuck snugly against its flanks when they're not in use protect the Drocon Ninja from sustaining rotor damage between sorties, while a 120-degree wide-angle camera lens and autonomous flight modes enable it to capture panoramic aerial views. It comes in at a beginner-friendly price with a beginner-friendly design, along with Wi-Fi smartphone app control and a gravity sensing operation. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you or your kids have more enthusiasm than skill when it comes to remote-controlled flying machines, you might want to get in some practice time with a beginner-friendly model like the Syma X22W before launching hundreds of dollars worth of gear into the heavens. This one's suitable for ages 8 and up and offers low battery protection and an integrated FPV-capable HD camera. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pocket drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the foldable rotor arms on the Holystone HS220 aren't just for space-saving storage. They can be extended outward for FPV flying with a 3D VR mode and carrying out more agile aerial maneuvers, or tucked inward for a tighter profile and greater stability in flight. It features 15 minutes of running time, 1 key takeoff and landing, and an over 100-foot transmission range. And coming in at number 1 on our list, boasting a maximum flight time of 21 minutes and a top speed of 42 miles per hour, the DJI Mavic Air is powerful aviation technology that fits in the palm of your hand. Designed to optimize stability in a lightweight frame, it puts exceptional imaging capabilities at your fingertips, including 32-megapixel sphere panorama creation. It also offers advanced pilot assistance systems and multi-directional environment sensors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Pocket Drones, or simply click beneath this video.